We'll guide you through how to connect your Namecheap domain to Squarespace. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and go to Namecheap's website. Once you're there, log into your account and navigate to the Domain List section, which you can find on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Find the domain you want to connect and click Manage next to it. Now, go to the Advanced DNS tab. Here, you need to set up your DNS records. Add a new CNAME record by clicking on Add New Record at the top right. Set the type to CNAME record, the host to www, and the value to xtcust.squarespace.com. Don't forget to save your changes. Now, you need to verify your domain on Squarespace. Open a new tab and log into your Squarespace account. Go to Settings, then Domains, and click on Use a Domain I Own. Enter your domain name and click Next. On the next screen, select Connect from Provider and choose Namecheap from the list. Squarespace will then give you a set of DNS settings. Go back to Namecheap and ensure these settings match with the ones you entered. It might take some time for the changes to propagate, so be patient. Once your domain is verified, Squarespace will notify you. That's it. Your Namecheap domain is now connected to your Squarespace site. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.